If your laptop is slow, you're not alone. Programs take longer to open, web pages lag, and sometimes the computer just feels stuck. But here's the good news. Most slow computers are not broken. They're just overloaded, outdated, or misconfigured. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common reasons laptops slow down and what you should check before spending money. Because fixing the right problem saves time, money, and frustration. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Let's get your computer working again. The number one reason laptops slow down is simple. Too many programs running at the same time. Some of these programs start automatically when the computer turns on, and many people don't even realize they're running. Every program uses memory and processing power. The more programs running in the background, the slower your system becomes. And here's a pro tip. This applies to browser tabs as well. Browsers are getting better at mitigating this, but it still takes up hardware resources. Close those tabs you don't need any longer. Another common cause is not having enough memory, also called RAM. Memory is what allows your computer to run multiple programs easily. When memory runs out, the computer has to work harder and everything slows down. For most people, 8 gigabytes of RAM is the practical minimum, but 16 or more will serve you better. If your system has less than that, performance problems are very likely. Storage plays a bigger role than most people realize. If your hard drive is almost full, or if it's an older mechanical drive, your computer will slow down. Even simple tasks can feel delayed. Switching to an SSD is one of the biggest performance improvements you can make, and in many cases it's more effective than replacing the entire computer. Sometimes the issue isn't hardware at all, it's maintenance. Computers need regular updates, cleanup, and restarts. Without that, performance gradually declines. This is especially important for people running a home office, because slow systems don't just waste time, they interrupt your workflow. Not every slow computer can be fixed with upgrades. Sometimes the hardware has simply reached the end of its useful life. Here's a simple rule. If the computer is more than 5 to 7 years old and basic tasks feel slow, consider the cost of a replacement versus upgrades or repairs. Replacing your laptop may be the most economical long-term decision. Let me know in the comments what option you picked for your slow laptop. If your laptop is slowing down, the goal isn't just to make it faster, it's to make it reliable, since reliability is what keeps your work going. If you need help keeping your computer running smoothly, I put together some simple guides to help you do exactly that. You can find the links in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep getting more tech tips like this, or I'll have to steal your RAM. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.